Good morning, class. Today we'll be discussing the lesson 3, which is the cofunctions. So, cofunctions are functions of complementary angles. So, if we are going to have the complementary angles, we are basing the angles with the 90-degree angle. So, here are the objectives of the lessons. We have identified the different cofunctions, solve the cofunctions of a given angle, and find the value of the angle using the different cofunctions. Below are the different cofunctions of the trigonometric functions. We have the cofunction of sine A is cosine B. So it is sine A is equal to cosine B. Sine B is equal to cosine A. We have also the cofunction of cosecant A is secant B. So cosecant A is equal to secant B, or cosecant B is equal to secant A. So we have the cofunction of tangent is cotangent B. Tangent A is equal to cotangent B, or tangent B is equal to cotangent A. For example, we have the 3 by 4 by 5 right triangle. So we know that the mnemonics for the formula for the trigonometric functions are SOHCAHTOA and the cosecant. So we have the sine B is SOHCAHTOA, opposite over hypotenuse. We have the angle B here. So this side opposite to this one is 3. And we have the hypotenuse, which the longest side triangle of a right triangle is 5. We have also tangent B. So to get tangent B, we have the opposite over adjacent, that is the 2. So we have tangent B is opposite, still 3. And the adjacent of B, kaniyang tapad, is we have 4. So 3 over 4. So we have cosecant B. The cosecant B is we have hypotenuse over opposite. So this is just the inverse function of sine. So we have hypotenuse over, diba, gibalira siya, opposite over hypotenuse, and hypotenuse over opposite. So we have the hypotenuse is 5, and then we have the opposite is 3. Given two angles A and B, it is equal to 90 degrees because we are in the complementary angles. So A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. In case there are given that is in the form of this, in short class, you are just going to subtract the given angle from 90 degrees and use the formula for the cofunction. So you have here, find the cofunction of the following. So we have sine 73 degrees is equal to cosine 17 degrees. So what? Because the given angle here is 73. Okay? Since we're going to find the cofunction of sine is cosine. So subtract 70 degrees from 90 degrees. So we have 17 degrees. That is why we have cosine 17 degrees. That is based on the formula, correct? Sine A equals cosine B. Okay. So therefore, the cofunction of sine 73 is cosine 17 degrees. What is again the cofunction of tangent? It is cotangent. So again, the given angle is 27 degrees. Subtract it from 90 degrees. So minus 27 degrees equals 63 degrees. The same process with number 1. So therefore, the cofunction of tangent 27 degrees is cotangent 63 degrees. Another one, we have secant. Based on the formula, we have secant. Cofunction of secant is cosecant. So we have the given angle is 55 degrees. Subtract it from 90 degrees. Minus 55 degrees is equal to 35 degrees. So therefore, the cofunction of secant 55 degrees is equal to cosecant 35 degrees. Okay, for number 4, I guess this is just the same process with the previous example. Okay, so I know you can follow this one. So we have here more examples in finding the value of A. So A here is the angle. So we're going to find the value using the cofunction formula. So we have here cosine 3a is equal to sine 7a. So since the cofunction of sine is cosine, we will change one of the given and subtract the angle from 90 degrees. So we have here the given angle is 3a. Okay, and since we're going to find the cofunction of find the angle of A, so we have here 90 degrees minus 3a. Okay, is equal to 7a. So remove the sin in both sides. So sir, pwede rin na i-remove. Pwede rin na siya because we're getting the inverse trigonometric function, and if we are going to get the inverse trigonometric function, ma-cancel na siya both sides. So mabilin, we have here the angle 90 degrees minus 3a is equal to 7a. So transpose 3a to the other side. Okay, the rule is change the sign when the number or variable is being transposed. So that is why we have 90 degrees is equal to 7a plus. Himo ng plus ang minus, we have 3a. That is in the algebra, no? Simple na pag-transpose, changing the sign. So we have 90 degrees is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10a. So divide both sides by 10 to get the value of a. So 90 degrees over 10 is equal to 9 degrees. So that is the example number 1. I hope it is clear. So number 2, we have the tangent of negative a is equal to cotangent 10a. The same process. Okay? So since it is negative a, asa na to ni subtract? I-subtract na to ni sa 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus, then include the negative a because that is part of the angle of tangent. So 90 degrees minus negative a is equal to cotangent 10a. So since negative times a negative, this one, so that would become positive. So cotangent 90 degrees plus a, plus na siya kay negative, and negative is positive, is equal to cotangent 10a. Again, remove cotangent on both sides. We can remove by applying inverse cotangent on both sides. So we have 90 degrees plus a is equal to 10a. No? Then transpose a to the other side. What will happen? It will become negative. So we have 10a minus a. 90 degrees equals 9a. So divide both sides by 9. That will become a is 10 degrees. Okay, so let's take example number 3. We have cosecant a minus 16 degrees is equal to secant 5a plus 26 degrees. The angle here, so may angle na given, it is a minus 16 degrees. So kung a minus 16 degrees, mao niya itong isubtract sa 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees minus a minus 16 degrees. Now, since in our algebra, at di ba ato man siyang i-distribute? Oh, distribute. Oh, para dito ta maglibog, no? So that we will not get confused. So ato sang i-count ng inverse secant to cancel secant. So kay mo ning 90 minus a minus 16 degrees is equal to 5a plus 26 degrees. So distribute, rule of algebra, distributive property. We have this one, so my negative a, and then negative and a negative times negative is positive 16 degrees. So it's equal to 5a plus 26 degrees. So simplifying further, we have 90 degrees minus 26 degrees. Isa means 26, sir. Mao ni ang 26 na itong i-transpose. Isa. We group all the numbers and we group all expression that contains variable. So si a, negative a, atong i-transpose dire. So it becomes positive. And kani si positive 26, i-transpose na to sa the other side, it will become negative 26 degrees. So we have 90 degrees minus 26 degrees plus 16 degrees is equal to 5a plus a is equal to 6a. So divide both sides by 6. Okay, so we have cancel 6 since it is not, the quotient is not whole number. So we just limit our answer to two decimal places. So 80 degrees over 6 is equal to 13.33 degrees. Okay, so I'll be flashing the example number 4. So this is just very similar to example number 3.